Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram in Bradenton, Florida. I just took in a gorgeous 2016 Chrysler Town Country. That's right, folks, 2016 Chrysler Town Country. This is the limited version with the preferred engine, 3.6 liter Pentastar. This car is crystal blue in color. You gotta see it. Folks, this car only has 17,944 miles on it. This car is a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax. It was bought here, and it will be a certified unit. This is a rare car. This has all the toys. It's the limited version. Has memory for 2 drivers. It's got heated seats. It's even got a power moonroof. It's even got 2 DVD players for the kids in the back. This also has a trailer hitch at the back. It will tow up to 3,600 pounds. It's also got load leveling in the back. It's got stow and go, seating for 7. This even has navigation, has a backup camera and backup sensors. 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. One of a kind, folks. Folks, you want a great deal on a Town & Country Limited, the last of the last ones available. You got to call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You're only going to find this car at Firkins.